In this video you will learn how to create a video or movie by using iMovie for the Mac. There are a lot of different features in iMovie, but I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm going to show you how to upload a video, an image, add a transition, add a title, and add music, and how to export your movie. And that's it. Very simple. So the one thing that I like to do when I get started, I like to start by creating a new project and creating a new event. You do both of those things under the File menu. The event is where you import your videos and your pictures and do any editing to the videos that you want, trim it, and then the project is where you actually put your movie together. So I have already imported one video into my new event, and in order to do that I went to File, Import, Movies, and then that brought me to a list of my movies that are on my computer, but I've already done that. So let's go ahead and add a couple images. You'll see the camera icon on the right hand side of your screen. Click the camera, and these are all your images that are on your computer. You can also drag and drop your images directly from your desktop to your project. So I'm just going to take a couple images, drag them over, then I'm going to close that, and I'll add a text to my movie, and I can give that text any color I want. I kind of like the sparkling night. And then you click in the screen where it says title text here, click. And you'll add your own text. You can change the font, but I'm just going to leave it, make it very easy for myself. And then I'm done with that. Close that box. Now I'm going to add a couple transitions to give my video some cool effects. So this is the transition in between each picture or each title box. So let's go with, it's the same thing, you drag right into where you want it between your picture and title. Then you can take a different one, do the same thing. Now, for your video, you can use the whole entire video, but if you only want a section, you can actually click an individual section and make it as small or as big as you want. Maybe you only want a few seconds of your video. Once you have it exactly how you want it, the yellow box around the area of your video that you want, same thing, you drag it, drop it into your project area. Now I can go ahead and add a transition. So let me close the transition box. Next, let's add some music, which is the music button icon. You can take music from your computer, drag it and drop it in, or iMovie has several different sounds and things that you can use. None of them are all that long. You can see they're just a few seconds each. We have this one here, which is 30 seconds, so let's just use that. Same thing, drag it over and drop it in. Now your movie will automatically have music timed and synced perfectly with it. So I'm going to click the space bar and view my video. Alright. So once your video is exactly how you want it, then you will go up to the top, click Share, And you can either export this movie to your computer, or something that is really neat, you can automatically export it to YouTube. So it eliminates a step of exporting it to your computer and then having to upload it to YouTube and go through that whole process. So I'm going to click YouTube, and then I'll be prompted to go in and put in my account username and password. And once I do all that, I can change the title, the description, the tags, and then I'll click the size that I want it and next, and it'll automatically start uploading to YouTube. If I decide to export to my computer, then I'll still give it a name, where I want it to go to, the size, and then export. And that's how you create a simple movie in iMovie.